lie down. Okay, mine. So this could be our pattern to use the subject, to use the present continuous tense. You need to follow the pattern. First, you need to know the subject. Remember the subject pronoun. Who can remember the subject pronoun? We have I, you, they, he, it. Alright. So now, followed by the verb to be. Okay, what are the verb to be? Those are the linking verbs, which are are, and s. Remember? Can you remember? So, what is the verb to be for I? Am. Okay, good. For you, are. Be, they is the same are. Okay, just follow this pattern. He, she, is. Good job. Is. Okay, now. So, what is a verb? What is a verb? You can answer. What is a verb? Okay. A verb is an action word. It describes the action. Okay, Mike? So, from our vocabulary, we have an example. Feed and sweep. Feed is an action word. Okay? So, here we got sweep. We got feed. Okay, Mike? But since you are going to use the present continuous, you're going to add ing for your verb. Do you understand? So, feed will become
Feeding.
feeding. ing. You get it? So, I am feeding. Okay, can you read?
I am feeding.
You
Are
feeding. We
we are feeding.
feeding. They
They
are
are feeding.
feeding.
He
He
is
is
feeding.
She
He
is
is
feeding.
feeding.
It is feeding. Say what? What do you feed? You're going to feed the baby, or feed the dog, feed the cat. Do you understand? Okay, we still have another example. What is this?
Sweep.
Sweep. Okay, what is the verb plus ing for sweep? It will become sweeping. Okay. Sweeping. What do you sweep?
Quạt.
The
Quạt.
กวาดอะไร
floor. Okay.